Okay. Eish. This is perhaps taking us to another emotional moment again. Christmas Eve of 2016, a member of our team was stabbed and killed. Why Shaili Upa? So, I got a message late early morning laphayana ukuthi uMazibuko akakabonakali inkosikazi wakhe yamdinga kwazi ngoba ekseni impela kwakuthe later kwase kuthiwa hayi uMazibuko ugwaziwe ushonile. It was such a shock. So kwahlala ke kwaqhubeka 2016 lwana the trauma of it bekusenza ukuthi noma sihlangana ku practice into kaMazibuko was just something that hit us very very hard. So I think nje an idea came on me ukuthi maybe this can help to heal the group. Usizwa Masiphelele my thoughts on it were ukuthi izosebenza just to heal our team. So that is the practice laphayana. Then sesi discuss nje because usually when I bring a song uyathola ukuthi I want to feel it, maybe first stanza and a chorus or first and second stanza. So kahle yona I think waqala I chorus. So that is it discuss I think labona mancu la Upra Ino suggested ukuthi no asithi stanza 2 si incorporate like everyone so that lebandla labantu ba feel that ukuthi the song can speak to them as well. At some point you'll remember ukuthi I think it was the first practice. I think we tried to sing it. When people saw the words, everyone cried. We stopped. Sabuyana futhi. It took us time, not because the song was difficult, but because people would cry when we tried to practice it. So we kept on until abantu bajwayela ke ukuyipractice. But the challenge first of all was even first time we took it on stage, people would cry. Sase sikujwayela ukuthi masicula uSizwe Masiphelele ifront row yabo mama laphana bonke soprano and alto babekhala. So until I don't know how God did it, but somehow we managed to make the song, though it does speak to us, to make the song also convey a message to the church and to people so that we don't cry on it so much. Kwafika stage where we would sing it. Siqede impela hayi kungabanga lo muntu ostopileyo because sekusuke kwenzeke nje here and there now and again. But to that song again I want to say ukuthi sometimes izinto ziyenzakala kube kube coincidental. This other time I had started working on that song, putting it together. Then one day uchairman wangithinta wangifonela saxoxanyana wasesithi uSamancu kanti angeke ubhale ingoma yini usubject le if he was here now ubezo confirm ukuthi my first response to him then ukuthi ngahleka. My thoughts were ukuthi how do you get to have such an idea when I've already started working on it? So even if I had not started working on it, someone had also thought of the same. So even if kade ngakaqali, maybe vele kwakuzothumeka somehow because someone came to say no, do it. So eventually it was done. It is a song that was done out of a tragedy esabanayo, losing a member. For us, Okamazimbuko, it was very bad at the time because he was an active member. I can say ukuthi sasesike saba nesinye isimo a little before that, but umzalwane wakhona was joiner for a little time waphinde wahamba kwakuthiwa mbani kanjalo yasisi yamkhumbula kwakuthiwa ngani kanje. Well, she joined us and then wasuka she married a guy wayesebenzela boMpumalanga ngale, so I was akamba. So then sometime maybe a year or two after that we heard ukuthi akezwa kahle ngathi uyagula in until we usane, yeah. So because saba nayo isikhathi esincane and kufika ukuthi ushonile, impact yakhona wasn't as hard hitting as Mazibuko was, because Mazibuko on Sunday sonke practice later ususizwa kuthiwa awusekwaziwe seshonile. So and we were to be the same people who were to go ukuyomngcwaba and seeing his kids and his wife konapana vele situation yakhona, it was very bad. But thank God the song did not only heal members of Awaiting, it seems to continue healing others outside Awaiting and other people. I want to say, maybe for the purposes of this meeting, ukuthi I've been given my contacts and maybe information to the extent, to the effect ukuthi there is a family in my heart. I haven't met them, but someone told me ukuthi the family is now Adventists.
Amen.
Because baqala ukulalela the songs after they lost their father. So bayilalela ke as a family until one of them wabuza ukuthi abantu bacula le ngoma bakhonza kuyiphi church. Then they looked for the church closest to them, and the friend tells me now they are going to Adventist church. So